Shout out EVBASE for sending these out to me. RGB lights for the Tesla. I'm just working on installing them. I just installed these two. This strip is going up there. So let's do a little unboxing. Really impressed with all the pieces they give you. You can install these permanently where they come on when you turn the car on. Come off a button like this. And here's the actual light itself. Look how thin that is. Pull this off, and then we have to tap into this blue one right here. Just gonna daisy chain it again. So here's the app you need to download.